welcome back to another video, and today, some of you fellow peoples that are just starting YouTube need to figure out how to upload videos because my friends have really trouble with it, even though I tell them every day. So right now I'm using what is this thing called? I don't know, but I'm using the Explorer. And so what you want to do first is go up to this little arrow that says upload, click on it, and then you have to go to select files to upload, and then it should give you the videos that you have. I'm out of breath. The videos that you have recorded, and I'm going to do another video on how to record, but I'm on laptop, so if you're on a computer, then, well, don't go look at the way that I'm about to show you in the next video. But, yeah, so that's how you, upload videos, and then you can pick a video, open, and then it'll bring you to this, and then you can name it whatever you want. Pretty cool. And then you have to go to advanced. Well, you don't have to do that, but I like going to advanced except for appropriate comments, gaming, or people in blogs, because this is my face right now. It's like language English. You don't have to do all of this. You can just do the simple thing, just name it, and yeah, and that's how you upload a video. I'm not actually gonna upload this because I probably already uploaded this. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial, and I will see you in the next video or tutorial. You never know.